What's the meaning of algebra? Algebra. 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 Algebra.
Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with the manipulation and study of mathematical symbols and equations. It involves solving problems using variables and identifying patterns and structures in those equations. The goal of algebra is to find solutions to equations and to manipulate those equations using mathematical principles. Algebra is used extensively in fields such as physics, engineering, economics, and computer science. It is an essential tool for quantitative analysis and problem solving in various areas of study and research.